Good morning, dear students of Standard 4th. So, welcome to the academic year that is 2021 and 22. So, here is the first lesson from your English Bharati textbook, that is Rain in a Night. See, this is your first chapter. This is the content that you have in your English textbook from Unit 1, Rains in the Night. Now, first of all, let us read this poem. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. What does the poet try to say in this first paragraph? पोएट आपको ये बताना चाहता है जैसे पूरी रात रेन हुई है. रेनिंग रेनिंग ऑल नाइट लॉन्ग मीन्स फुल नाइट रेनिंग हुई है. It has been raining throughout the night. Sometimes the rain has a big loud and sometimes it have a soft loud. Like whom? Just like a song. जैसे गाने का धुन बजती है उसी तरीके से ये रेन का भी धुन, रेनिंग जब होता है तो रेन का भी धुन बजता है. Come to the next paragraph. There will be rivers in the gutters and lake along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. What did you understand by this? What does the poet say? The poet says that the gutter will be like a river. जो gutters है वो पूरा river की तरह हो जाएगा. And there will be lakes beside the road. रोड स्ट्रीट के सामने पूरा लेक्स तैयार हो जाएगा. द राइजिंग वाटर विल मेक द लेजी किटी वॉश दिस लिटिल डर्टी फीट. अब जो वाटर राइज होगा, वाटर बढ़ेगा स्ट्रीट के सामने, उसमें किटीज का जो फीट है वो पूरा धुल जाएगा, गंदा भी होगा और धुल भी जाएगा. कम टू नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. The rose will wear diamond like king and queen at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. What does the poet say? That the drops of rainwater on the roses will shine like whom? Like a diamond that worn by king and queen at court. जैसे किंग और क्वीन अपने मुकुट में डायमंड लगा के सिंहासन में बैठते हैं, उसी तरीके से रोजेस के ऊपर भी छोटे छोटे डायमंड नजर आएंगे. एंड हाउएवर द पैंसीज विल गेट मडी बिकॉज दे आर शॉर्ट प्लांट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पैंसीज? पैंसीज यानी जो पेटल्स रहते हैं, छोटे छोटे फ्लावर्स के जो पेटल्स रहते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैंसीज. और यू कैन टेल इट्स अ स्मॉल delicate plants that get muddy. If I will sell my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. What does the poet say? The poet wishes to sail her boat on the next day in a new and wonderful places. She want to go somewhere else and somewhere else जाके वो अपना जो पेपर बोट्स रहती है वो सेल करना चाहती है पानी के ऊपर. But before that what she want to do? She would take her watering pot and wash all the faces of the pansies, that the pansies get dirty. तो वो सारे dirty जो pansies है, ये छोटे छोटे plants है, उसको पूरी तरीके से वॉश करना चाहती है. Clear, students? So this is the poem. Again I will repeat it for you. In this way you have to read and learn the poem. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lake along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like king and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Understood? This is the way you have to learn the poem. Okay, students? So, for today, you just read out the poems 2 to 3 times, and very soon I will give you question answers of the same lesson. Till then, thank you.